Hello again, folks. Today I'm gonna cook for you kinigtot Ilocano dish. Here are the ingredients: garlic, onion, ginger, salt, pepper, sili, and then yung bile liquid, or pwede rin yung extract from Carabao stomach, which is already drained, and then ilagyan ko ng calamansi to reduce bad odor, kasi yung extract from Carabao stomach medyo may amoy yun, pero yun ang nagpapasarap. And then our main ingredient is yung baka, laman. I prefer yung laman na walang mga ugat-ugat, para sa ganun pag niluto ng konti lang is medyo malambot siya. Okay? Ginger, natin ng tubig, kunti lang. Ayan, close it. Okay, after mga 3 minutes, lagyan na natin extract. Lagyan na natin ng asin, paminta, I will taste it, ha. Take note, don't overcook. Ito na yung finished product, beef kinigtot, Ray's style.